Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change number in TikTok Shop. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in support.tiktok.com where I found a guide that explained everything about email and phone number in TikTok. Can you use the same phone number on multiple TikTok accounts? Since your mobile phone number can only be associated with a single TikTok account, you can't use the same phone number to create another or multiple accounts. If you want to make a new account, use different phone number or change the phone number associated with your existing account. Keep in mind, you can reset a password if you're having trouble logging into your TikTok account. If you delete your TikTok account that is currently associated with your phone number, it will be deactivated for 30 days and then erased permanently. After 30 days, you can connect that phone number to a new account. To find the phone number associated with your account, in the TikTok app, tap Profile at the bottom, tap the menu button at the top, tap Settings and Privacy, and then tap Manage Accounts, then tap Phone. How to add, change, or remove your phone number on TikTok. To add phone number to your account, in the TikTok app, tap Profile at the bottom, tap the menu button at the top, tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Manage Accounts, and then tap Phone Number. After that, enter your phone number, then tap Send Code to verify your identity. And lastly, enter the verification code sent to your mobile address. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.